Thrustmaster is back with its brand new direct drive base that introduces a brand new technology, the Direct Axial Drive. With a torque of 5 nanometers and PlayStation 5 and PC compatibility, this base presents itself as a serious alternative to the model from Fanatec and Moza. Its revised format, optimized engine, and new features could well be a game changer in the world of sim racing. It's a bold bet for Thrustmaster, who aims to appeal to both enthusiasts looking to step into the world of direct drive and experienced players looking for more nuanced sensations. The promise is ambitious, to provide a smoother, more precise driving experience with enhanced immersion, all while keeping it affordable. A challenge that the French brand seems to want to take up with this T598, which could well become a benchmark in its price range. If you're into sim racing, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for those who want to check out the T598, the link is in the description. As soon as you unbox it, the Thrustmaster T598, it impresses with its unique format. Unlike classic direct drive bases, it adopts a taller and wider design, which may require some adjustments depending on the installation. The finish is well crafted with a mix of metal and sturdy plastic, giving it a solid feel. The quick release has been completely redesigned to ensure better rigidity, finally allowing you to change steering wheels without any worries. This new mounting system not only boosts reliability but also enhances the feel during racing, cutting down on the play that was sometimes found in previous generations. At the back, all the connections are there: power, USB-C for connecting to PC and PS5, and a port for the pedal set and handbrake, as well as an extra port that could accommodate future expansions. The whole setup is compact and well organized to make connections easier. We also notice the presence of a discreet yet handy power button, allowing you to put the device to sleep without having to unplug it. It's a small detail, but it can make a difference in everyday use. The built-in screen on the base is an interesting addition, especially for displaying real-time information. Its positioning is designed to be visible without drawing too much attention away, which can be an advantage in certain demanding simulations. The T598 incorporates an axial drive direct motor, a technology that stands out from traditional direct drive motors. Where classic models use a radial flow, this version aligns its coils to optimize the smoothness and responsiveness of the force feedback. As a result, you get better precision, an almost total reduction in cogging, and more efficient heat dissipation. Thrustmaster highlights the stability and quick response of this motor. It provides a more natural driving feel, especially during sudden direction changes. The integrated race dash screen displays essential information in real time, such as gear ratios, RPM, and active settings. An appreciable detail, particularly on the Gran Turismo 7, where it compensates for the inconvenience caused by the height of the base. Software integration also allows certain parameters to be managed without going through an external menu, which improves ergonomics and speed of adjustment during a session. In terms of compatibility, it works with all the new Thrustmaster wheels that have quick-release direct drive, including the Hypercare wheel add-on, while leaving out the older models with traditional mounts. This choice might be a drawback for users with older equipment, but it helps optimize rigidity and the transmission of force feedback. In racing, the Thrustmaster T598, it stands out for its responsiveness and smoothness. Force feedback is precise and linear, without the jolt sometimes found on radial flux bases. Its biggest strength is the speed at which it transmits information. In e-racing and Assetto Corsa, the accuracy of the corrections is impressive, making driving feel more intuitive. The track effects are well conveyed, whether it's the changes in grip, the vibrations from the curbs, or the small steering adjustments needed in tight corners. The overshoot effect is definitely there, allowing the wheel to temporarily exceed 5 nanometers to enhance weight transfers and loss of grip. It's a dynamic feeling that adds realism to drifting situations or trajectory corrections. This ability to temporarily amplify sensations allows you to better feel the critical moments when the car loses grip. A nice addition is Jolt mode, which simulates a shock when changing gears. It provides additional feel, but can be a little too pronounced depending on the settings. Fortunately, you can adjust it to make it more subtle and avoid overly harsh jolts on some less sporty cars. In terms of ergonomics, the height of the T598, it can cause some integration issues. Depending on the setup, you may need to review the position of the screen or use an adapter for installation on certain cockpits. Those who play at a desk will need to make sure the height doesn't obstruct their line of sight, especially in games where the heads-up display is low on the screen. The T598. It directly competes with the Fanatec CSL-DD and the Moza Air 5. Compared to CSL-DD 5nm, it provides a smoother and more natural feel while being more affordable. On the other hand, it falls short compared to the CSL-DD 8nm, which offers more power and more software customization options. Basing Moza R5 T598 stands out with increased compatibility with the Thrustmaster ecosystem, which is expected, and a more modular pedal set. It's also better integrated for gamers. PlayStation, a significant advantage for those who play on console. It serves as an excellent entry point into the world of direct drive with a competitive price-to-quality ratio. For those who want to avoid overly expensive setups. The Thrustmaster T598 marks a great step forward for the brand with its Axial Drive direct engine, its precise force feedback, its compatibility, PS5 and PC, and its competitive price make it a wise choice for those who want to experience direct drive without blowing their budget. Its smooth feel and quick response give it an edge over some competing bases, although it still lacks a bit of power to compete with higher-end models. If you're looking for an accessible, high-performing direct drive base and scalable, the T598 is a serious option to consider. For those who want even more power and software options, the CSL-DD 8nm remains a more comprehensive alternative. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to use the link in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Feel free to comment to share your thoughts, like, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Hey!